straight into it. Alright, man of the match performance from yesterday. Brilliant on the left back position. Still managed to concede a goal. Disappointed the goal conceded.
Of course, it was a mistake. But I'll come again, go back to the training ground and come again.
What's the assessment of the game? You haven't played in a good while. Get to play some football today.
Well, it's my first game and I can say score a goal, so I'm very happy.
What's your assessment of your personal performance?
Could I do much better? I was lapsed in the second half, so I've come again.
You think that's fitness?
Just lapsed. Plus one, get far away. But I lose the ball, so I just come again.
Alright, and overall, what's the expectation for finishing off the zone? Because Tivoli Garden leading the zone, so I think you guys can just win the rest of the games and pass them out?
Well, next game, Tivoli is our next week, so next game is our most important game, not Tivoli right now.
Alright, bless up, yeah?
Yes.